In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a dashboard in Airtable. We'll walk through creating a clean, useful dashboard using Airtable's interfaces feature so you can turn your base data into at-a-glance insights. Before we begin, make sure you have a base with the records you want to visualize and that you know which table holds your key data. Start by opening Airtable in your browser. Once you're in your workspace, look to the left sidebar and click on the App menu. This is your jumping off point for tools that extend your base. From there, choose Interfaces. Interfaces is where you design dashboards and lightweight apps on top of your existing tables without changing your underlying data. It keeps everything visual and focused, perfect for reporting and team updates. Next, click on New Interface. You'll be prompted to set up the basics. Give your interface a clear descriptive name that makes its purpose obvious, something like Sales Overview or Operations Health. A good name helps your team find it quickly and sets expectations for what they'll see. Then choose an icon. Pick a color and symbol that stand out in your sidebar and align with the content. Visual cues go a long way when you have multiple interfaces. Click Next to continue. You'll see layout options. Go ahead and select Dashboard. This layout is designed for summaries and monitoring, with space for charts, metrics, and lists arranged on a canvas. It's ideal when you need a read-only view for trends and KPIs, rather than a place to edit individual records. After selecting Dashboard, click Next again to move forward. Now choose the table that will power your dashboard. Select the table that contains the primary data you want to track, such as opportunities, projects, or tickets. If your base has multiple related tables, start with the one that anchors your reporting and references the others. Make sure the table includes the fields you'll summarize: dates, statuses, owners, amounts, or any numeric fields you plan to chart. Don't worry if you're not certain. You can adjust sources and filters later as your needs evolve. Finally, click Finish. Airtable will create your new dashboard interface and open the editor. From here, you can immediately start arranging components to surface the metrics and views your audience cares about. Keep it simple at first, validate that the numbers align with your base, and iterate as you gather feedback. That's it, you've set up the foundation for a clear, shareable Airtable dashboard.